Did you know that over 4.5 billion people are active on social media? That's more than half the planet. You've got entrepreneurs in Estonia, students in Sao Paulo, artists in Tokyo, all scrolling, liking, sharing, debating. It's insane. With so many voices online, how do you stand out, connect authentically, and truly influence others? Look, Dale Carnegie wrote the playbook on human connection back in 1936 with how to win friends and influence people. Guess what? Human nature hasn't changed that much. The principles still hold true, even in the digital age. In this video, we'll dust off Carnegie's wisdom and give it a 2025 upgrade. We're talking actionable strategies to crush it on social media by actually connecting with human beings. Let's go. Look, we've all been there. You're scrolling through the feed, you see a post, you double tap, you move on. It's like social media drive-by liking. Dale Carnegie taught us to become genuinely interested in other people. But that doesn't fly in a world of fast connections. Here's the thing. Engagement is a two-way street. If you want people to care about you, you gotta care about them first. Don't just like, leave a thoughtful comment. Share the posts you love. Respond with sincerity. It's not that complicated. Think about it. Someone posts about a big achievement. Instead of a generic, congrats, take 2 seconds. Write, this is incredible, Sarah. How did you pull this off with everything else going on? You're an inspiration. That's how you stand out in a sea of digital noise. You show you're actually paying attention. You're interested in their story. That's how relationships are built, both online and offline. And you know what? People can smell BS from a mile away. So don't fake it. Find creators and content that genuinely excites you, that lights you up. Your passion will shine through, and that's magnetic. This isn't about gaming the algorithm. It's about making genuine connections. Remember, behind every profile, every post, every comment, there's a human being. Treat them that way. Carnegie knew the power of a smile. It's disarming. It builds trust. It creates an instant connection. But how do you smile in the digital world? It's all about your tone. Think about it. When you read a comment, you can practically hear the person's voice, right? Are they being sarcastic, encouraging, aggressive? Your words have energy. Choose them wisely. Opt for positive, approachable, engaging language. Instead of saying, you're wrong, try interesting perspective. I see it a bit differently. See the difference? And listen. Emojis aren't the enemy. Used thoughtfully, they can add warmth and personality to your interactions. A well-placed emoji can go a long way in conveying emotion and building rapport. But here's the kicker. Your tone has to be genuine. People can spot a fake smile, even online, just like they can spot a fake comment or a forced attempt at positivity. So be yourself. Let your personality shine through in your writing. If you're naturally witty, let those jokes fly. If you're more heartfelt, let your empathy show. Remember, people gravitate towards authenticity. So relax, be yourself, and let your digital smile shine. Dale Carnegie said it best. A person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Personalization is key. Taking that extra second to use someone's name makes all the difference. Tag people in your posts when you're talking about something they'd find interesting. Mention their name in a comment when you're genuinely impressed by their work. Address them directly in a DM instead of firing off a generic message. These small gestures show you're paying attention. And that's how you build real, meaningful relationships. Think about it. Listen up. because this is crucial. Listening isn't just something you do in face-to-face conversations. It's a fundamental aspect of online communication, and it's a skill that will set you apart from the digital noise. Here's the deal. Everyone's so busy broadcasting their own message, their own agenda, that they forget to actually listen to what others have to say. But that's where you come in. Pay attention to what people are saying in the comments section. Engage in meaningful dialogue. Ask open-ended questions that show you're genuinely interested in their perspective. And for the love of all that is good, respond thoughtfully. Don't just fire off a quick cool and call it a day. Take the time to craft a response that shows you were actually listening, that you value their input. And here's a pro tip. Remember what people tell you. If someone mentions they're struggling with something, follow up with them later. See how they're doing. That kind of genuine concern goes a long way in building trust and rapport. Think about it. When someone truly listens to you, doesn't it make you feel heard, valued, important? That's the feeling you want to evoke in your online interactions. So, ditch the digital autopilot and start actively listening. You'll be amazed at the connections you make and the relationships you cultivate. Next, give and then give some more. Provide value like it's going out of style. All right, let's talk about one of Carnegie's most powerful principles, talking in terms of the other person's interests. In the social media age, this translates to one thing: providing value. Look, nobody's going to follow you, engage with your content, or care what you have to say if you're not giving them something in return. It's all about providing value, adding something to their lives, making their day, or at least their scroll, a little brighter. So ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What knowledge, skills, or experiences do you have that could benefit others? Maybe you're a whiz at social media marketing. Share actionable tips and strategies that your audience can implement. Maybe you're a master chef. Post drool-worthy food pics and easy-to-follow recipes. Maybe you're a gifted storyteller. Share inspiring anecdotes or thought-provoking insights. The point is, find your niche, find your voice, and deliver content that provides genuine value to your audience. And here's the beautiful thing. The more value you provide, the more loyalty you build. People start to see you as a go-to resource, an expert in your field, someone worth listening to. So ditch the self-promotion and focus on serving others. Give, 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 and watch your community grow organically. How do you rise above the noise? You choose positivity. Let's face it, social media can be a breeding ground for negativity. It's easy to get sucked into arguments, to engage in negativity, to let the trolls get under your skin. But remember what Dale Carnegie said: any fool can criticize, condemn, and complain. And most fools do. Here's the thing. Negativity is a trap. It drains your energy, it alienates your audience, and it ultimately accomplishes nothing. So what's the alternative? Choose positivity. It's not about being fake or ignoring real issues. It's about approaching online interactions with a constructive mindset. Instead of criticizing, offer suggestions. Instead of complaining, share solutions. And listen, if you come across a conversation that's getting too heated, don't be afraid to walk away. Your mental well-being is more important than winning an internet argument. Remember, your energy is contagious. When you radiate positivity, you attract like-minded individuals. You create a space where people feel safe to engage, to share, to connect. And that, my friends, is how you build a thriving community in a world that often feels anything but positive. Next key, lift others up. Celebrate success. Like a boss. Dale Carnegie knew the power of making others feel important. And guess what? That principle is more relevant than ever in the age of social media. Think about it. Every day, people are achieving amazing things, big and small. They're landing dream jobs, launching businesses, creating incredible art, making a difference in their communities. And what do? They share it online. This is your opportunity to celebrate them. Share their wins, amplify their voices, give them the recognition they deserve. Reshare their posts, tag them in relevant content, give them shout-outs in your stories. Go the extra mile and write a heartfelt comment expressing your admiration. Trust me, it means more than you know. And here's the thing. When you celebrate others' successes, you create a culture of support and encouragement. You build a community where people feel seen, valued, and appreciated. Plus, it's just good karma. What goes around, comes around. When you generously support others, they're more likely to return the favor. So ditch the envy and embrace abundance. There's enough success to go around. Lift others up, celebrate their wins, and watch your community flourish. What now? Go build something meaningful. Use Dale Carnegie's timeless principles, updated for the digital age. Remember, social media isn't about vanity metrics or chasing algorithms. It's about building real, human connections. It's about showing genuine interest, being positive and encouraging, providing value, and lifting others up. It's about treating people online the same way you'd treat them in person, with respect, kindness, and authenticity. So go out there and be the change you want to see online. Be the person who leaves thoughtful comments, who celebrates others' successes, who makes people feel heard and valued. Now it's your turn. How do you build connections online? Share your favorite strategies in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips on life and social media success, and check out our other videos to keep improving your digital presence. Let's build something meaningful together.